Meghan's father Thomas Markle could end up testifying against her in UK legal battle. Thomas Markle, father of Meghan, Duchess of Sussex, may find himself in the extraordinary position of testifying against his own daughter in a legal battle that has already drawn global attention. The lawsuit, filed by Meghan against the Mail on Sunday, revolves around the publication of a private letter she wrote to her estranged father. Meghan argues that the newspaper unlawfully published the letter, breaching her privacy and copyright. However, recently revealed court documents show that Thomas Markle is actively cooperating with the newspaper's legal defense and may be called as a key witness should the case proceed to trial. We appreciate your support and enthusiasm for our channel. If you'd like to help us grow, please subscribe and share our content with others. The Mail on Sunday and its parent company, Associated Newspapers, are arguing that there was a huge and legitimate public interest in reporting on the personal relationships of members of the royal family. According to details from the UK's PA news agency, the defense will center on the idea that Thomas Markle had every right to share his side of the story, including the contents of the now infamous letter, given the intense scrutiny and public speculation surrounding his relationship with Meghan. These developments hint at a potential courtroom showdown that could see Meghan and her father facing each other after years of personal estrangement. Their relationship has long been a subject of media fascination, with multiple reports chronicling a breakdown in communication, emotional distance, and unresolved tensions. Thomas Markle did not attend Meghan and Prince Harry's 2018 wedding, citing health concerns, and since then, contact between father and daughter has been limited, if any. The Daily Mail, the Mail on Sunday's sister publication, was first to report on the court documents suggesting Thomas Markle's involvement in the case. If called to testify, Markle would likely provide evidence in support of the newspaper's claim that Meghan's letter was not only fair game but necessary to present his side of an increasingly public dispute. The newspaper insists that his cooperation underscores the authenticity of their editorial decision and strengthens their position in court. While Meghan's legal team at Schilling's Partners declined to comment, and Markle's representatives have remained silent, the prospect of this family rift playing out under public scrutiny is already generating significant media buzz. The lawsuit is part of a broader narrative surrounding Meghan and Harry's ongoing tensions with the UK press, and their efforts to redefine their public roles following their dramatic decision to step back from royal duties. That announcement, made on January 8, sent shockwaves through the British establishment. The Duke and Duchess of Sussex declared their intention to step away from senior royal responsibilities and carve out a progressive new role for themselves. The revelation prompted an emergency summit led by Queen Elizabeth II, resulting in a period of transition as the family negotiated the couple's new arrangement, one that would see them split their time between the UK and Canada. Since then, Meghan has been staying in Canada, where she made a quiet but powerful public appearance at the downtown Eastside Women's Centre in Vancouver. The organization shared a group photo on Facebook with the caption, "Look who we had tea with today." The Duchess of Sussex, Meghan Markle, visited us today to discuss issues affecting women in the community. Her visit marked her first public engagement since stepping back from royal life and showcased her continued commitment to advocacy and community outreach.